Hello everyone. This is a question which we are going to solve today. 2 to the power sin square x plus 2 to the power cos square x is equal to 3. You have to solve this question by different methods. We are going to solve this question by first method. That is our basic method. We can say that is our basic method also. Let's begin the solution. Here we are seeing that here is a sin square x and here is a cos square x, and we know a relation between sin square x and cos square x, that is equal to identity which we have studied in trigonometry, that is sin square x plus cos square x, that makes equal to 1. All right, first of all we have to make a uniform nature. We have to make this equation in a uniform nature, means here is a sin square and here is a cos square. We have to first of all we have to make it in a uniform nature, then we can proceed, otherwise the difficulty will be more and more. All right, now we know that if we are changing the sin square x in the terms of cos square x, then what we will get, we will get cos square x 1 minus cos square x, that is equal to sin square x. And if we change cos square x in the terms of sin square x, then what we will get, cos square x is equal to 1 minus sin square x. All right, you can proceed by either of the following method, by either of the following changing rule. You can proceed by this one also, by this one also. I will proceed by sin square x equals to 1 minus cos square x, means I am going to proceed by changing sin square x in the terms of 1 minus cos square x. All right, now let's change then see what it comes. All right, after changing, what we will get, we are changing sin square x in 1 minus cos square x, so we will put here 1 minus cos square x. All right, and here leave as it is 2 cos square x, that is equal to 3. Now here you know very well that this will become 2 upon 2 cos square x plus 2 cos square x, that is equal to 3. That is equal to 3. Okay, now here you are seeing that this is 2 cos square x and this is also a 2 cos square x. If we substitute t is equal to twice of cos square x, then what will happen? Nothing will happen. The difficulty will be less. All right, after substituting t, that is equal to 2 cos square x, we will get here 2 upon t plus t equals to 3. That means 2 upon t plus t equals to 3. Now our difficulty for that equation has reduced. Here you can proceed it by solving it. We will get it 2t square minus thrice of t plus 2. This equation is very familiar to us now. This equation you have solved many times. This is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation you have solved many times. So after solving this, we will get t, we will get here t minus 1 and t minus 2. After factorizing this quadratic equation, we will get here t minus 1 and t minus 2 equals to 0, and from here you are getting the value t equals to 1 and t equal to 2. But this is not the exact value, because t is the substituent term, means substituent element. In the case of what we have substituted with the t, we have substituted 2 times cos square x. So after finalizing our answer, we will get twice of cos square x, that is equal to 1. This is our first solution. And here twice of 2 to the power cos square x, that is equal to All right. By solving this equation and by solving this equation, we will proceed to our final answer. Okay. And here we can get it by making it 2 to power 0, means by equating the equation rule, means if the base are same, then the powers are equal. Then the powers are equal. Means here you will get cos x is equal to 0. This is a trigonometric equation. We will come to this equation after solving this one also. Okay, we will come to this part. Now we have to solve this part also, means this, after solving this trigonometric equation, we will finalize our answer. We will get the those x which we are finding in the in this equation, which we are finding in this equation, means we are finding this x solution. So after solving this part, we will get our answer. So first of all, we will solve this also, making it 1. We can equate this also. We will get here cos square x is equal to 1. From here we will get cos x equal to plus minus 1. All right. We will get two set of values here also, because this is a cos x equal to 1, means its power is even, and whenever the power is even, then here comes the modulus, and modulus breaks in the plus minus equal to 1. All right. Now we will solve these three means cos equal to 0, cos x equal to plus 1, and cos x equal to minus 1, these three trigonometric equations. Let's solve one by one. Let's solve it one by one. First, by solving first trigonometric equation, that is equal to cos x, that is equal to 0. By solving this equation, you can get the solution, but I will solve it by very basic method, that is by graphical method, not by the analytical method. I will solve it by the graphical method. All right. Let's assume that this is the y equal to 1 and this is the y equal to 2. We are comparing two set of values, that is y equal to 1 and y equal to 2. All right. We are comparing the two set of values, that is y equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Means we are saying that the set of values that makes the y1 and the y2, where these set of values are equal, means where the values of function 1 and where the values of function 2 are equal. Okay. Now after drawing the this is the sin x graph, this is the cos x graph. This is your cos x graph. This is drawn by roughly. So here is your y2, that is equal to 0, and the green part of the graph is y1 is equal to cos x. So as already I have told that the set of value, that is y1, and the set of value second, that is y2, where these values are equal. Let me tell you one thing. The set of values where they are equal are the points of intersection of these two functions, these two graphs. Means here this is the point of intersection. This is the point of intersection, and this is the part of intersection. This is the point of intersection, and this is also a point of intersection. And here also it will continue in the left side, and in the right side also it will be continuing these properties. All right. Now we are getting the value, this one and this one, this one, this one, this one, and so on. If we find this point and 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 so on, and here also in the same as it is in the left side, we will find that solution. If we get these values. So what is the values of these points? These are the points where cos x is equal to 0. You know very well that where the cos x is equal to 0, it is 0 at pi by 2. What is it is? It is 3 pi by 2. What this point is 5 pi by 2, and so on. And here also minus pi by 2, and this point minus 3 pi by 2, and so on. So by comprising all the set of values, we will get a general form of the value, that is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So our solution is 2n plus 1 pi by, as you put the value of n equal to 1, you will get the another solution. If you put n equal to 0, you will get another solution. If you put n equal to -1, means if you are putting different values of n, that is the n belongs to integer, then for different integers you will get different values, different solutions, all right, which this equation is comprising with itself. All right, so from the first part, now the first part of our answer is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. First part of our answer is this one. I will make a star mark here, because in the last, when we will solve the another equations also, means we have solved this equation, its result was x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, if we will solve this this part also, then we will continue its intersection part, means we will see the whose those points which are common in these three equations, that will be our solution, that will be the solution. All right, now we have to solve this part, means we will first of all solve the second part over the trigonometric equation, that is cos x equal to plus 1. Here the equation says, this trigonometric equation says that the cos x values, where the cos x values are equal to -1, where the cos x values are equal to -1, same as we have solved the earlier equation by the method of solving the earlier equation. We can solve this also by drawing the graph. Here is your graph of cos x, means this is the y1 function and this is the y2 function, that equals to 1, and here is your y2 equal to 1 equation graph, and here is your the white part is y1 equal to cos x. As already told you that the two functions equates, if the two functions are equating itself, then it means that the set of values of the function 1 and the set of the values of the function 2 are equal at some part of x. At some part of x, you have to find those part of x, you have to find that those part of x at which those functions are equal, those functions values are equal. You can say that those functions values are equal. So where those functions, these two functions will intersect, where these two functions will intersect, where these two functions will intersect, that will be the solution of the equation. That will be the solution of the equation. Means overall, concluding this, we can say that this is your answer. We can conclude that this is the answer. This point is your answer. This point is your answer. This point is your answer, and same as it is in the right side, and same it is in the left side. So what is this point known as? This is x equal to 0, and this is x equal to 2 pi, and this point, sorry, here this point is x equal to minus 2 pi. So concluding our answer, we will get here x is equal to dot 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 minus 2 pi, 0 pi, plus 2 pi, and similarly plus 4 pi, and similarly plus 6 pi, and so on. And here also similarly minus 4 pi, minus 6 pi, minus 8 pi, and so on. These are the values. These are the values. All right. Now, the last equation, that is equation number 3, that is cos x is equal to -1. Same. I will solve it in this equation only, in this graphical method only, in this graph only. That here is your, by drawing the graph of y equal to minus 1. This is y equal to minus 1. And here also this point will be answer, this point will be answer, and this is the x equal to minus pi, and this is the x equal to pi, and similarly x equal to 3 pi and x equal to 5 pi, and here also x equal to minus 3 pi, and so on. So its answer will be, directly I will write its answer. Its answer is x equal to dot dot minus 3 pi minus pi and plus pi and plus 3 pi plus 5 pi and so on. So you have got the solutions of each and every 3 trigonometric equations. All right. So your solution is here. Your solution is in front of you now. This is your first solution. These set of values are your first solution, and these set of values are your second solution, and these set of values are your third solution. There are many solutions for this equation, which we are expected to solve. All right, you have got the answer for this equation, that is 2 to the power to the power sine 2x and to the power cos square x and is equal to 3. Okay, let's solve the next part of the question by taking a different new equation, a different many equations. So we will continue in the next lecture. Thank you and have a good day.